Hello friend, welcome to our YouTube channel Unboxing Hands. Today we'll be unboxing Tapo home security Wi-Fi camera. Okay. Let's remove this covering and see what comes inside. Okay, before opening the package, let's get through the features. And there is a motion detection and notifications. It's a night vision, full HD, micro SD slot. Okay, 360-degree horizontal range, privacy mode, night vision, two-way audio. There's sharing also, live view and easy setup. Okay, this box is a little tricky. Oh boy. Okay, here it is, not tricky. Okay, it's a public license. This is what, I don't know, some kind of a sticker. Okay, this is the quick start guide. We'll get back to this later on. Okay, there's nothing else inside. This is the adapter. Okay, the cord length looks good. It's the power adapter, output 9 volt, 0.6 amperage. Okay, this might be the mounting stand. The two holes for the screw, and this must be the locking mechanism. The box looks very good, looks like some recycled material or something. Okay. Here is the camera. Looks like a robot. Wow. Okay, let's first check the product for any damage or anything. Okay, it looks fine. On the back, this is the power cable, charging point, connecting point. There are this pad also, so it does not slip. Okay, this base is movable, 360 degrees. Nice. I thought it will be moving from here, but here it is a fixed connection. Okay, this is this horizontal, up and down. And like for micro SD card, if you pull up this camera lens, here you will find the slot. This is the reset button. Here is the slot for the micro SD card. It supports up to 128 GB, so that should be fine. Made in China, like always. Quality is quite good. It's a full plastic. This might be the speakers because it's a two-way audio also, so you can interact with the camera if you have children or somewhere home. This is the mounting blade. This must go like this. Correct, it will go like this. Okay, let's put the camera here. Starting guide, there is an app to download, then you have to power it up. Then there is a setup plus button in the app. Okay, then there is a LED indication. Red is starting up, green is connected to Wi-Fi, blinking red camera resetting, blinking red and green ready for setup, blinking green slowly is connecting to Wi-Fi, blinking green quickly camera updating. In the mounting kit they provided a camera base, camera itself. Okay, that was the mounting plate, these anchors and the screws. Okay, this is for the position marking. Okay, base, secure the camera, appearance, reset button, micro SD card slot. Okay, nothing too much here. The camera is good, it looks nice, looks like an Android. You tilt it like upside down like this so it can rotate. Let's see. Okay, hopefully we will do a review for this one. Once I install it, I'll do a review for this product. Okay, since then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and please do keep like if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.